Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Cheers! Today is my last vlog style video of Vlogmas. You guys know I'm having a craft with me video thrown in here, so it's my last vlog style. And I'm still working from home again today, which I know is getting a little bit boring for you guys probably, but the fun comes after work because this is going to be a little vlog slash pack with me for my trip to Charleston. We need to look up the weather, find what clothes we're going to wear. I'm packing a craft like I've been telling you guys, so I have to figure out how I'm going to fit that in my suitcase because we're flying. It's like a whole thing. So tonight we have some stuff to get done. What's up, guys? It's been a long day, but I'm off work. It's actually 5:20 right now. I'm about to make a decaf coffee before we start packing our bags because I need motivation. I have some decaf espressos in the fridge, thank you to Angelo because he made me some. So I have 4 in there and I can just make a little decaf breve, easy. First things first is what I've been doing since I got off work at 4, which is crafting. The only reason you guys aren't seeing that in this video is because tomorrow's video is going to be like a full, like almost start. I filmed a little after I started, but pretty much a start to finish craft that I did with embroidery. It's like my first big project with embroidery, and it's a gift for someone, so I'm really excited to show you guys. So that'll be in tomorrow's video, but like I said, right now I'm just making a little bit of a latte. Really, it's a breve decaf, and then we're gonna pack my bags for Charleston because we have to leave super early tomorrow morning, you guys. Our flight boards at 6:20 in the morning, so I got shit to do. On top of that, I have to drive to a Target across town this evening, maybe at like 7, because the stuff that I bought, it's just Christmas gifts, but they didn't have it in stock at the closer Targets, so we're driving across town to get some Christmas gifts as well. Just gonna add my half and half, and we're gonna have a delish decaf breve. Maybe I'll put an ice cube in it. That's so good. Okay, if one sip in and it worked, I am motivated. Let's go. Okay guys, I finally pulled everything from my closet, so I thought I'd give you a quick run through of what we've got going on because it's a lot. So, of course I have my Skims pajamas. You know I can't go anywhere without these. I have my airport outfit, just leggings and a tank top, and then I'm going to find a sweatshirt to go with it. And then on the way home, I'll wear either the same leggings probably, or if I wear those on the trip, I'll wear these other leggings. Black tank top and a sweatshirt. I have a camo t-shirt. It's just like an extra shirt if we're just hanging around and it's casual and comfortable. I have jeans, which I'm just gonna wear, you know, once or twice, and then this cute lace top to wear with it because it's new and it's one of my faves. I do have a skirt, just one, this burgundy skirt with a black long sleeve, and then I'll either bring my black cowgirl boots or my black combat boots. Well, they're not combat boots, they're Chelsea boots. I don't know which one yet, whatever fits in my bag. I'm thinking these are probably better. And then two extra shirts, black long sleeve and a gray long sleeve, that I can just mix and match with the skirt or the jeans or the leggings or whatever. So kind of just a casual little wardrobe. Brown purse right here. I'm going to try to just throw it in the bottom of the bag and use it when I get there instead of using it as my carry-on. So let's see if we can fit all this stuff in the bag, you guys. Oh, and I have my whole pile of crafts and gifts, so yeah, we'll see. guys, I got out my trusty iPad with the list. This is a huge packing list that we use every time we travel, and we just check and uncheck the boxes so that we can reuse it. So it's time to pack toiletries. Alright, only took me 5 minutes and toiletries are complete and looking good. Leaving it here to brush my teeth, and then we'll throw it in the bag in the morning. Success. Alright you guys, thought I would give you a little overview of the bag because I feel like I did really well packing somehow. So let me show you. This side is obviously my clothes, but under this shirt right here is a bunch of my floss, my embroidery floss. So it's my little stacked container that I normally have, but Angelo had the idea to split it in half and it fit so perfectly right here. I can't even believe it. So I have to go through and pick out a few colors I'm going to use on my next project and put them in my embroidery bag so I can have it to work on in the airport. But that side's perfectly, well, not like that, but when I put the shirts down and put my bra down, it's perfectly flat and it fits so well. And then in here I just have my extra pin cushions. We have some little keychain attachments and some stencils for letters so that people can make, you know, different letters if they want to use those as an outline. So that'll be super cute. And then in this side we have felt for crafts, and then these are my shoes down here, and then I brought some gift wrap because I'm giving some gifts. And right here is a little empty spot and it's the perfect fit for my toiletries. So my suitcase is good, and now I'm just, I have my polyfill for stuffing the ornaments, and then I also have some ribbon, so I'll throw that in the top because it's squishy. And now I'm just working on a couple games, some tech, and then my regular purse stuff, and we're gonna put all of that into my backpack, and I think we're gonna be set. So I'm really impressed that I fit crafts, games, and clothes for a weekend all in this one bag. I'm impressed.